Quick little video on the setting your Z offset with the Creality K2 Plus. If you prefer not to set it through your printer and your configuration files inside Clipper, how I do here, this is what I need for my Z offset. If you don't want to do this and add files, and you're only going to use the Creality slicer, you can go in here. This is where your printer is set, your K2 Plus. You click Edit, and you go here, and this is where you set your offset. So my nozzle is too close, and I would have to set it to 0.01, and then you click Save. If your nozzle is too far away, you do negative 0.1, and that's where you would set it. So that's just an update on quick little way to set your Z offset inside of Creality Print.